Retire like a genius. How to be a retirement destination genius. There are numerous rankings of where to go out there, but when you sort through them, certain trends start to become clear about the changing landscape of preferred locations where people want to retire in the US or abroad. People are starting to migrate in new directions beyond just the snowbird states of Florida, Nevada, and Arizona. Many of the states and countries rising in popularity are situated away from rising climate challenges we've been watching become more frequent, and are locations with low or no taxes, lower costs of living, offering much more for lifestyle, and have a strong healthcare system. Here are some of the rising new retirement states to be considering. Number 5, Pennsylvania. Number 4, Idaho. Number 3, Colorado. Number 2, Minnesota. Number 1, Iowa. And here are some of the popular international retirement destinations attracting more and more people. Number 5, Spain. Number 4, Panama. Number 3, Mexico. Number 2, Portugal. Number 1, Costa Rica. So, as you get ready to make the move, dip your toe in the water first. As you're selecting your ideal new location, you should make sure you spend some time there as more than just a tourist. Consider spending 3 to 6 months renting and living as a local. Get a feel for what it'll be like to live in a new location on a daily basis. Live on your new monthly budget. Have new neighbors. Do groceries and errands. Find new favorite spots for dining and entertainment, and you're going to want to get a feel for how often you'll be able to see your longtime friends and loved ones. Once you've found the right fit and you're ready to make the move, you can take on an entirely new perspective in your retirement going forward. Retire like a genius. It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.